It is, of course, the call to treat one another as we wish to be treated. The call to what? The call to serve. To do what we can to make a difference in the lives of those with whom we share the same brief moment on this earth. And so many of you at Notre Dame, by last count, upwards of 80%.
Say hi to everyone. Say hi, baby girl. Say hi. Hi. Baby girl. Oceana. Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. Where's that smile? Are you gonna smile for Daddy? Are you gonna smile for Daddy? Huh?
Now you must carry the tradition forward. Make it a way of life. Because when you serve,
Yeah, that's right. Say hi to everyone. Say hi. Hi. Yeah, there you go. So good, so good.
when that happens, when people set aside their differences, even in moments,
You have hiccups.
common effort or a common goal,
You have hiccups.
when they stand together and sacrifice together and
Look at your little leg. Come on. Push his little leg. Come on, push him.
after all, I stand here today as president of African American on the 55th anniversary of the day that the Supreme Court handed down the decision in Brown versus Ford.